And then as you see that, you start seeing bouncing coming back in. And like I might not want to hang around for that. I might go ahead and just ring the register. See, because you see this nice little double bottom here on Meta? Nice little double bottom right there. Right there. 1, 2. Let's zoom in a little bit. Because yeah, we see a double bottom on that thing, but we're backside, we're underneath the 9, and look, you got the spine, the Qs, looking like they are just having a healthy pullback on the overall trend to the downside. And then look, higher lows. And look, what did I say? See that? I mean, we're fading. Look, they tried it. Look, 1.2 million shares, 1.3 million shares. But look, on the 10-minute here on Meta, we got a nice little double bottom down here, bro. You got to be careful. But honestly, I see success putting in higher lows, stepping up, and this thing's looking bearish. So I ain't really sweating it. I feel like it's a dead cat bounce. And what's that, the 2-minute? All right, let's watch this thing like on the 5. The 2 minutes a little too erratic. Now, on Weeble, I do see, but I'm watching it on the 3-minute. Let's watch it on the 5. Look, here's what Weeble's looking like. So, bro, like that's a fade right there. And then if you wanna, you feel me? Say, okay, if we, break back above this level right here, this 261.55 or 50, then you might need to go ahead and readjust something. But if we're gonna look like this, look, dumping. You know what I mean? I think you just trust in the process. You trust in your TA, your technical analysis. And I mean, look, this thing's freaking putting in higher lows, about to touch another high of day. 43.61 on this candle. High of day is 43.67. High on this candle is 43.61. So what, a couple cents? But like trending upward. And I mean, look at this thing. Look at that. Yeah, look at this thing dumping, bro. Humpty Dumpty, bro. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think they can put the pieces back together again. Not until next year. Wow. Well, damn, it's so nice to have my platform working like it should, bro. Jeez. I'm talking about I had to like become an IT professional and shit, bro. It's ridiculous. It wasted 2 months of my time, bro. 2 months I can't get back. I don't know why someone would do that, bro. Just do you, bro. You feel me? Just do you. Because I could care less what anyone's doing, bro. Now, look, Tesla, I mean, like, it's been leading the direction of the market, bro. Especially tech. And right now, this thing is looking like it's come down here to previous close and is trying to bounce and put in higher lows. So you gotta be watching this. You feel me? Like what happens here? I mean, we actually don't need that level because we got previous close there. Go out 2 days. So right here, and then you feel me? If we're gonna keep heading down, like I'd be interested maybe like in this level right here, 165.30s. Just to you feel me? Show us where we could bounce at, and we are seeing some bouncing coming in on the Qs on my Weeble. Well, let's look at the S&P 500. Yeah, see that bouncing? So right here, this is the 2 minute though. Let's go to the 5, so we can try to peep some logic. And you see us? We're down here bouncing. So right now is where you have to watch and see if we get some sort of reversal action or whatever. But you see down here where we kind of like bounced and found the support, like a bottom. Now, if we come down here and crack this level right here, bro, like I must say, bro, like I think the market heads down. I do see some bouncing coming in. I mean, check the bonds out. It's hard to read because when shit's just super bearish, you'll see bonds and equity basically do the same thing when there's like everything's to one extreme or the other. Now look, See how we're rejecting up there? So we got to assume that's the top of the range and the bottom of the range. Top of the range for the bears and the bottom of the range for the bulls. See that? But, I mean, it'd be interesting to see what happens right here because, see, we came down here and based and we're kind of like stuck in between this range right here. So, really, I wouldn't expect to see anything, any major moves to either side unless we either break out of this little area either to the upside or the downside. Doesn't matter. I mean, looking at this, it looks like to the downside. Wow, bro, like, man, I don't think my Active Trader Pro ever freaking worked this good, bro. Like, the lady freaking really helped me. I gotta say, I finally got some good customer service from them. And look, what did I say? Look, you know, like, you can't really expect to see nothing different until we break out of this little range right here. 261.50s to 261. Looks like we're trying to break out of it to the downside. Yeah, to the downside. And I mean, you can see it. Look at the SPY, look at the Qs, look at the S&P 500. I mean, this is crucial. It's kind of looking like we're already breaking out of that. Let's go to the 2 minute. Oh yeah, we're dumping. Looks like we're dumping. Let me see. Because look, we've broken below any point on the day so far. Right? So right here. Now, if we crack that, which we just did, and basically open a new candle below that level, you got to assume that we're just going to be bearish, bro. We might go ahead and fade for the rest of the day, or at least a good portion of the day, maybe until like power hour. Now, one thing you do have to be mindful of is look at the time, bro. It's 11:15. Traditionally, you'll see some phantom bullishness come in around this time. Maybe it's not phantom bullishness. Maybe it's just phantom volume. Maybe, you know what I mean? Phantom volume is a better way to describe it. And it could be volume to the downside because look at success. We're on the highs. And then I just seen the Qs dump on my Weeble. And as you see the Qs dump on the Weeble, this thing's pushing up higher. Look, on this candle, we've made a new high on the day, which is 43.77. So up here, and I'm just putting these levels up here to let me know, like, you know what I mean? Like, if we touch that level and break above it, bro, like, look, we're we're breaking above it, bro. All right, so new high on the day now, 43.79 on success. Let's let you know the fade is alive and well.